Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Mental Arithmetic Lesson 2. There are 20 questions and each slide lasts for 7 seconds. Now you may choose to do these orally or you may choose to have a pen and paper with you. Either way, at the end of the 20 questions, I will have the answers on the last slide, and I'll leave the video running for about 15 seconds on that answer sheet, and you can pause the video and just check your answers at your leisure. Good luck with it, and here we go. Okay, I hope you went very well with that. Here are the answers, and I'll leave this slide on for about 15 seconds, give you a chance to pause the slide so you can check your answers. I'll see you another time where I will upload more of these videos in the near future.